Hibiscus Bing Cherry Hemp Milk is packed with antioxidants and protein to create a very nutritious, high-protein, low-fat milk alternative. First, prepare the hemp seeds. In a small mason jar, scale 85 grams of hemp seeds and pour boiling water over top. Soaking the hemp seeds for 4 hours will help remove the seeds' protective enzymes that interfere with digestion. Then to make hibiscus tea, scale 10 grams of dried hibiscus flowers into your brewing device and pour 500 grams of boiling water over top. Allow to steep for 7 to 10 minutes and strain when the desired strength of the tea is achieved, and allow to cool. Then rinse the soaked seeds and add them to a blender with 100 grams of pitted Bing cherries and 350 grams of hibiscus tea. Blend on high speed for a couple of minutes and strain through a nut milk bag. Gently squeeze the bag to release the milk and discard the remaining pulp. This naturally sweetened, high-protein milk is enjoyable to drink but can be added to your next berry smoothie or sweetened with a little maple syrup to taste as well. This recipe makes 500 milliliters of hibiscus Bing cherry hemp seed milk. Stored in the refrigerator, the milk will keep for about 3 days.